Hello friends, this is Sai from SQL School. In this short session, let's understand what we are going to learn in our lengthy MS SQL and TSQL training program. Let's get started. Let's understand what we learn here. And this is Sai from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. Let's understand what we are going to learn and why. Let's go straight into the concept now. SQL. This particular course is planned to ensure solid foundation for your resume. You may be a data scientist or machine learning programmer or data engineer, data analyst, BI developer, database developer or database admin. Anyone, everyone, this course is for you. We are going to start from the scratch. Database concepts, MS SQL queries and TSQL architecture concepts. For 3 weeks, everyday class notes, everyday assignments with utmost care and love towards the training delivery service. I will take care of it. I will be the trainer. And these 3 weeks should be enough if you want to go for data engineering, Power BI, Python, data analyst or Python full stack or programming, etc. This is the foundation course. For experienced profile, I strongly recommend you to opt for query tuning also, additional 1 week. After query tuning, you'll proceed for data engineering or Power BI or whatever you wanted to towards the right side. If in case you're planning for full length programming, hardcore development, then go for left side journey programming. 2 weeks, advanced complex procedures, functions, triggers, cursors, CTEs, etc. Basics will do here. More advanced, more complex programming. Then comes Azure SQL Developer, 2.5 weeks course. So left side journey is for complete full stack SQL. However, participants going for data engineering, Power BI, Python, Snowflake, MSBI or other data platforms, box 1 and or 2 enough. 3 and 4 not at all required if you journey towards the right. Core data engineering is all about data warehouse, cloud computing, data factory, Synapse, AI based data bricks, PySpark and so on. Data analyst is all about Power BI, Python integrations, visualizations, Excel analytics and so on. Same way we have Snowflake, MSBI, lot of database oriented technologies. And in our classes, we'll start from the very basics of database from scratch. I repeat again, module 1 and 2 enough for the participants planning for data engineering and Power BI, Python, etc. Module 1 is enough. Starters, experienced participants, you may opt for query tuning as well. However, SQL developers, they'll continue programming and Azure SQL Dev modules. I assure you, complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics, with everyday notes, transcript for every class. I assure you, complete step-by-step classes with on-time practice assignments and FAQs. I request you to do your best in your course and use me for your doubts and clarifications. I'll take care of all kinds of examples, scenarios, use case activities, certification, and exam guidance, including mock interviews. I request you to make sure you submit your assignments on time or max by weekends. Everyday practice highly recommended, highly requested, and I'll do the remaining things. Trust me. Let's connect on LinkedIn or my WhatsApp, or you may reach our team for live demo class to understand the details in more specific step-by-step manner from scratch. Thank you so much and see you there in our live demo session. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon.